Welcome, I'm Paul Schrader from Normanby Fiberglass, the home of mobile feed troughs. In this video, we're going to walk through the 5 models that we manufacture here at Normanby for feeding PKE. Our philosophy right at the very beginning was to minimise waste. We designed the half round to achieve total clean out, no residual left over. The other thing we have is we have a breast rail protector so they don't cause any damage to the fiberglass liner. Whilst we originally designed these for the feeding of PKE, they're also widely used for the feeding of maize, meal, silage, molasses, salt, seaweed, and many other types of concoctions and mixtures that you may want to feed to your cows or your beef cattle. All our trough range come with a tow hitch at the back, and the main purpose for that is so you can tow multiple troughs to various areas around the farm. These troughs are very easy to manoeuvre around on flat surfaces, as you can see. We can just move it around wherever you want it to go. Our braking system is a simple flat bar. As you lift it up, it locks the front wheel and the brake clicks into the hole. So this is our TM4. This is what we introduced to the market well over 20 years ago now. We have now manufactured in excess of 7,000 of this particular trough model, and this is our go-to. It's ideally suited for mobs of between 120 and 125 head of cows or adult beefies. The dimensions of this trough has an overall length of 4 metres, and the width is approximately 800 wide and the depth is 450. So this trough has a capacity of 1.1 cubic metres. That's 1,100 litres to the brim. Due to the success of the TM4 and the overwhelming demand, we introduced a larger model, a 6 metre, called the TM6, for the larger herds and just economy of scale. The overall dimensions for the TM6 is 6 metres long by approximately 800 wide and 450 deep. So the capacity of the TM6 is 1,650 litres or 1.65 cubic metres to the brim. Because of the larger size trough, we introduced the walking beam with the dual wheels on the back. They ride very, very well over undulating ground. The other change that we've made is the dual wheels. These wheels are 6-ply and tolerate quite high loading. Feedback from farmers using the TM4s and the TM6s, we could see that there was a market for younger stock. So we introduced the TM 5.5 stainless. Now this is quite unique because it's designed for younger animals from 100 kilos or weaning stage upwards, that they can actually get total clean out of this trough. The internal dimensions of this trough is 5.5 metres long by approximately 800 wide, and it's only 310 millimetres deep, which makes it easy to clean out. The capacity of this is 1.1 cubic metres or 1,100 litres to the brim, the same capacity as our TM4. One of the reasons we used stainless was to achieve more robustness and make it resilient towards bulls and deer, who are pretty hard on this sort of stuff. You'll also notice that on this particular model, it's quite a bit lower. It's under 600 mils. And that's so that the younger stock can get in and get total clean out. They can actually reach all the supplement that's in that trough. Another market we recognised was the young calves from 4 days old onwards. So we've introduced what we call the TM5. Dimensions of this trough is approximately 5.5 metres long by 440 mils wide at the top, and it's about 230 millimetres deep. The overall height is just under 500 millimetres, so anything from 4 days onwards can really reach in there. So this particular model is best suited for up to 60 weaners, young calves. You can put molasses in it, pellets, meal, and you can also consider putting hay and straw in the bottom as well. We make a smaller version known as the TM 3.8. It's 3.8 long, 440 wide, and the depth is approximately 230 millimetres. This trough is better suited for the smaller mobs, up to about 40 at a time. We recommend not filling these troughs to the brim, but about 100 mils from the top. That avoids cows that are flicking with their tongue to not waste it over the side. So one of the things we've always kept in mind is longevity and the replacement of parts. We've actually embedded a bit of steel into the liner where the bolt goes through, so it doesn't elongate like the very, very early ones. We now use 6-ply tyres instead of 4, and we've made some little changes to the front axle. All the wheels are more or less interchangeable. The axles are all readily available. We still use the same axle that we used 20 years ago, but slightly modified. Hence what we're now seeing people still using these troughs 20 plus years down the track. So if you are interested in any of our products, feel free to look at our website. You can also contact us by phone, email, or just come for a drive to Normanby. The coffee's great and we'll show you our product range.